Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood, where the magic of movies comes to life. From heart-pounding thrills to jaw-dropping special effects, let's take you through the best and top rides that will make your visit unforgettable. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a movie buff, Universal Studios has something for everyone. From iconic attractions to brand new experiences, let's explore the top rides you won't want to miss. Scene 2. Ride 1. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. The camera shows the majestic Hogwarts castle at the heart of the Wizarding World, with visitors walking through Diagon Alley and drinking butterbeer. First up, a magical journey awaits at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Hop aboard Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, an immersive ride that brings you face-to-face with your favourite characters from the Harry Potter films. The camera cuts to a thrilling ride point of view of a person on the motion simulator, flying through Hogwarts, dodging magical creatures, and escaping from a dragon. Prepare for an unforgettable adventure as you soar through Hogwarts, fly on a broomstick, and experience the magic that only the world of Harry Potter can deliver. Scene 3. Ride 2. Jurassic World. The Ride. Next up, it's time for an adventure millions of years in the making. Jurassic World, The Ride, takes you on a thrilling boat journey through a high-tech dinosaur park until things go horribly wrong. The camera shows the boat speeding down a rapid river, dodging huge animatronic dinosaurs. Suddenly, a massive T-Rex appears and roars as the boat plummets down a steep waterfall. Get ready for a heart-stopping plunge as you come face-to-face with some of the most terrifying creatures to ever walk the earth. Scene 4. Ride 3, The Simpsons. Ride for a fun-filled adventure that's equal parts hilarious and wild. You can't miss The Simpsons ride. Take a ride through the zany world of Springfield as you join Homer, Marge, Bart, and the rest of the gang on a wild,
You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble...
The POV shows the motion simulator shaking, with scenes of high-speed chases, ridiculous mishaps, and humorous moments. With its cartoonish chaos and classic Simpsons humor, this ride is perfect for families looking for a fun, wacky escape. Scene 5. Ride 4. Transformers. The Ride 3D. If you're ready to join the fight between the Autobots and Decepticons, Transformers, The Ride 3D is your ticket to action. With cutting-edge 3D technology, this ride immerses you into an epic battle for the fate of the world. Feel the rush of the Autobots' fight against the Decepticons, all while being thrust into the middle of an all-out war for survival. Scene 6. Ride 5. Revenge of the Mummy. The Ride. The camera moves through the eerie entrance of a pyramid, with the sounds of ancient curses and ominous music echoing in the background. For those seeking thrills and chills, Revenge of the Mummy is a must-see. This high-speed indoor roller coaster takes you on a twisting, turning ride through ancient tombs, filled with surprises and supernatural forces. The camera shows riders zooming through dark corridors, narrowly escaping fireballs, and being chased by mummies. Can you escape the wrath of the mummy? You'll have to hold on tight to find out. Scene 7. Ride 6. Despicable Me. Minion Mayhem. For a light-hearted, family-friendly experience, hop on Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem. Join Gru and the Minions in a fun 3D adventure that's packed. Take a look at the entrance. Isn't it stunning? The park is completely transformed into a winter wonderland, and it's all aglow with thousands of sparkling Christmas lights. The centerpiece? A magnificent tree towering over the plaza, decorated with shimmering ornaments and radiant lights, greeting every guest with warmth and wonder. Everywhere you look, there's magic in the air. From the festive wreaths hanging on the buildings to the brilliant light displays twinkling above your head, Universal Studios has pulled out all the stops to bring the holiday spirit to life. Notice the soft, glowing snowflakes drifting on the streets. It's all part of the enchantment. And yes, Even in the warmth of Southern California, we're celebrating the season with a touch of winter magic. The bus passes by a storefront decorated with wreaths, red ribbons, and strings of colourful lights. Over here, you'll spot the charming holiday windows, each one telling a story of the season, from classic Christmas tales Take a look at the entrance. Isn't it stunning? The park is completely transformed into a winter wonderland, and it's all aglow with thousands of sparkling Christmas lights. The centerpiece? A magnificent tree towering over the plaza, decorated with shimmering ornaments and radiant lights, greeting every guest with warmth and wonder. Everywhere you look, there's magic in the air. From the festive wreaths hanging on the buildings to the brilliant light displays twinkling above your head, Universal Studios has pulled out all the stops to bring the holiday spirit to life. Notice the soft, glowing snowflakes drifting on the streets. It's all part of the enchantment. And yes, even in the warmth of Southern California, we're celebrating the season with a touch of winter magic. The bus passes by a storefront decorated with wreaths, red ribbons, and strings of colourful lights. Over here, you'll spot the charming holiday windows, each one telling a story of the season, from classic Christmas tales to the latest holiday hits. And if you look closely, you might even see Santa's sleigh zooming across the skies. These beautiful trees aren't just for show. Each one has been carefully decorated to create a stunning visual display. The lights dance in time with the music, filling the air with cheer and setting the perfect backdrop for your holiday photos. You won't want to miss the chance to snap a picture under these dazzling trees. And look at these larger-than-life characters. From animated reindeer to playful elves, the entire park has come alive for the holidays. The movement, the lights, the sounds, it's all part of what makes Universal Studios at Christmas so incredibly special. As we approach the heart of the park, you'll see the incredible holiday display on the soundstage, where the lights create an almost dreamlike atmosphere. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Thank you for joining us on this festive ride through Universal Studios at night. We hope you've enjoyed the sparkling sights and the joyous spirit of the season. Remember, there's so much more to explore, so take in the holiday cheer. And don't forget to make some magical memories tonight. Merry Christmas and happy holidays from all of us at Universal Studios. Please give a comment in comments section which is your favourite ride. Thank you for watching, share, like and subscribe.